Good evening, friends. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we will make videos, introduce unique indicators for you to help you to do stock analysis better. Today, I will talk about BullBearExpert. This is an excellent and it is a unique homely trend indicators. So it can tell the market is bullish or bearish, can solve many of the retailers' puzzle. My name is Apple Huang. I am the natural with Homely. Tonight I will bring to you BullBearExpert. First of all, disclaimer. The stocks and Homely chart we discuss here is for educational purpose. This is not for investment advisory. There is investment risk in share market, so you need to be responsible for your investment decision. We know there are many puzzles with the share retailers. So they will always ask, is the current market bullish or bearish? Is my stock uptrend or downtrend? Should I buy the stocks now or should I sell the stocks now? So they will look around and ask friends' opinions. They will read newspapers or they will read some analysis reports to look for answers. In fact, with the software, with our indicators, you can solve and answer all these questions very well. The key to answer the question is which strength is stronger, buyer's strength or seller's strength? So if the buyer's strength is stronger, then this is bullish market, right? The share will just go higher and higher. But let's say if the strength of the seller is stronger, then this is bear market. So the share will go lower and lower. All right. We know there are two market participants. There are buyers or sellers, right? So if the buyers will provide long force, they will move up the shares with the long force, and then the sellers, they will sell the stocks, so it provides short force in the market. So the strength of the long force and the short force will determine the market direction. And the BullBearExperts designed based on this simple theory. The power of the long and the short determines the direction of the market. If the long force is stronger, then this is bull market. If the short power is stronger, then this is bear market. If the long and short force are deadlocked, then the market is sideways. Bull and bear expert is the best tool to reflect the long and short balance of power, and we can judge the strength of bull and bear with the change of color, width, and direction of bull and bear experts. Okay, so you can in fact come to the software and click on the EXP, click 8 expert and select the BullBearExperts. Okay, then this indicator will come out. It is the red band and green band. All right, and flip-flop according to the strength of the buy force and sell force. Alright, so if you see the band is red, then it tells you the buy force is stronger than the sell force. So this market is bullish. So when the market is bullish, or if you see the red band, so you can hold the stock. Alright, because the red band tells us the buy force is stronger than the sell force, and this is bull market. In bull market, you should hold the stock. Alright, so retailers always watch the market closely. So the market is very volatile and up and down every minute. Yeah, so even up and down every day. Yeah, so it brings confusions to retailers. So they have puzzle. Should I sell now? Is the market turning direction? Is the market from bull turn to bear? Alright, so with this bull and bear expert, we solve the problem. So if the band is red, even sometimes there are some retracement of for the share, it's okay, because this red band it also provides support for the market. Alright, so if it is red band, that means the market is bullish. Even there are some retracement of the stock, so you can continue to hold the stock as long as this is red band. Alright, but if the band turn from red to green, then the market is bearish. Alright, that means the sell force is stronger than the buy force. So if sell force is stronger than buy force, we should hold our cash, because the share will go lower and lower. Right? If the band is green, you hold cash, you don't buy shares. Only when the band turn from green to red, then you can buy the stock, because now the buy force is stronger than sell force. Alright, and if the red band turn to green band, we need to sell the stock. Alright, because the sell force is stronger than the buy force if red band turn to green band. Alright, so we make the stock analysis so much simpler. Alright, because the software has analyzed the big data and work out the red band and green, the BullBearExpert to you. With the red band and green band, you know you should hold shares or you should sell shares. Alright, yeah, so let's say if in some situation, if the buy force and sell force is take turns to control the market, then the red band and green band will flip-flop. It will flip-flop in a range. So we know market is consolidating. It's in sideways. Alright, it's in sideways. Alright, so we can use our software and then analyze. Alright, so you can come to expert and BullBearExpert. Okay, yeah. So we can go to this expert, and then all right, then come out this bull and bear expert. All right, yeah. So this bull and bear expert tell us very clearly, with red band, the share, the buy force is stronger. It is bullish. We can see the share, it continue move up. All right, we can just hold the share if it is red band. And here, for example, it turned to green band. All right, when it is green band, we will see the share will just go lower and lower, right? So let's look at for example, we look at Nasdaq. Okay, this chart is the Nasdaq in 2020. So we know Nasdaq doing very well in 2019. So this is a red band. So when it is red band, we can just continue to hold the share, all right, until February this year. We can see when it turned to green band, the share is keep going down. All right. So this green band tell us we cannot buy the share, even there are some rebound. Yeah, even there are some rebound right here. Then this green band, it will become the resistance. It is resistance for the market. We cannot buy if it is green band. All right. Yeah, but here when it turned to from green band turn red band, right? Then is our buy point. We can buy the stock. The Nasdaq turn to bullish when it is red band. All right, so we can it is bullish. We can buy stocks. Sometimes even there are some retracement. All right. Even there are some retracement, when it is red band, we can continue to hold the stock. We can continue to hold the stock. We don't have to sell the stock if this is red band, because red band tell us the share is still very bullish. All right. So yesterday there are some questions asked about some shares, so we can use this indicator to analyze. All right, so this is the share of APAC Realty. It's a Singapore stock. All right, so we zoom out and we find this APAC, since it was first listed in stock exchange, it moved up, all right, until 2018. Then can you see the red band turn to green band? Yeah, and when it is green band, yeah, the share keep going lower and lower. This is a long time bearish market for long time bearish for this stock. All right. Okay, then we zoom in, and in fact in 2019 we can see it's green band, it moving below the green band, right? The mark telling us generally this share is bearish. All right, until here has some red band, it has some rebound, but very fast it turned to green band. So when it is green band, we can continue to hold the cash. We shouldn't buy now. Okay, So when green band, the share will just go lower and lower and lower. Actually, 2020 March here, March 6, it is green band. So we know market this stock is bearish and we shouldn't buy already. We should hold cash already. So no reason to buy the stock. At that time, the share price is at 44 cents. All right. So as long as it is green band, we don't buy. We just hold our precious cash until here. Can you see the green band turn red band? Then means the stock turn bullish. Then we can buy. At that time is April 17. April 17, the price is about 31 cents. We can buy at that time. All right. So after we bought, it is red band, right? It's red band. That means the market, the buy force is stronger than sell force. It is red band. We can hold, continue to hold. All right. So use the software, monitor very closely whether red band turn to green band. All right. If it turned to green band, that means market already turned bearish again. So we should sell stocks and hold our cash again. All right. So this is APAC, and I realize many investors, our friends, in fact they buy the stock in the wrong time. They don't look at, they don't analyze the market is bullish or bearish. Yeah, so I don't know why they have a buy and sell decision. All right. So before you buy or sell, you need to analyze the market. Is it already from bearish turn bullish? Yeah, like here. Then you can buy. All right. And if the market is turned from bullish to bearish, for example, this bullish is cannot continue. Instead, the bearish is very strong. Then no reason we buy the stock. There's no reason. All right. So yesterday there was another stock. This Synergy Corporation. All right. Synergy Corporation. We can see, in fact, in the past few years, 2018, this is green band. So it fall from 20 cents all the way down to 5 cents. Yeah. So here red band it rebound again. Right, rebound again, but green band flip to green band again, so the share go down when it's green band. All right, so now let's look at recently. We know this is green band, means the share is bearish. The sell force is in control. The sell force is more than buy force. This is bear market. So when the green band, the share go lower and lower until it turned to red band. All right, that was April 16. When April 15 from green band turned to red band. All right, that means now the buy force is stronger than sell force. Then we can buy now. All right, so that is in April 15, and the purchase price can be 8.9 cents. All right. Subsequently, we can hold the stocks. Because this is red band. This is red band means the buy force is still stronger than the sell force. So we can continue to hold. All right. If it is red band, we just hold the stock because this is bullish. The buy force is stronger than sell force. We just hold the stock until if the red band turn to green band, then we will sell. All right, use your software to follow the stock movement. Okay, so yesterday our friend bought too late. All right, so it bought this stock 26 quite high. The price is quite high. All right, so the best buy point is when green turn to red, is 2 months ago. All right, and let's look at another stock, Singapore stock. That is OCBC Bank. Okay, OCBC Bank. All right, we know 2018 the red band and green band is flip-flop. OCBC Bank in the last 2 years is sideways around the range. It's about around the range of $10 to $11 last 2 years. If flip-flop in the last 2 years until we can extract from here, and until February this year, you will see the green band. All right, this green band. All right, and then the green band is sloping down, right, and the stock moving below the red band. All right, OCBC actually have a very directional downtrend this February. It didn't sideways anymore. In fact, it turned down. All right, so if we see it is green band, no reason for us to continue to in fact, when it's green band, we should, and the stock is below the green band, we should sell the stock first to avoid the risk. Okay, so you can avoid the fall avoid the falls here. Okay, all right, and then in April we see it from green band, it turned to red band, and the share actually is moving around the red band. All right, and the red band we can see is moving around the red band, and the red band is quite narrow, so we can tell because it's red band, so we know the buy force is still stronger than the sell force. It's just the strength is not the difference is not there's not much difference between the strength, but however the narrow red band means the buy force is still slightly more than the sell force. All right, then we can hold the share because it's red band, we can hold. But right now we see this is green band, so the share actually is means the sell force now is stronger than the buy force. All right, so if you want to avoid the risk, here is we can consider to sell the stock first. All right. Okay, then there was another stock. This is the Supermax Corporation. All right, Supermax Corporation, we can see here from green band turn to red band. That means the buy force is stronger than the sell force now. All right, so we can buy here. That was in early April, and then the at that time the price is about $1.68. All right, so after you purchase, when this is red band, you can continue to hold. to hold the stock. All right, so now it's still moving above the red band. Okay, so you can continue to hold unless it turns to green band. Okay, yeah. So our friend also bought this share too late, a little bit too late. Our friend purchased on this 11th June, so almost the high point. So it's already, the share already moved up so much. All right, so it's not good buy point. The best buy point is when green turn to red, then we can buy. All right, and when should we sell? Is when the red band turn to green band, then we can sell first. All right, so another stock that is the 7191. All right, 7191. In fact, we can know this is green band. All right, it's green band. That means the market is the sell force is stronger than buy force, so it's bearish. So we should hold our cash, right? We shouldn't buy stock until now green band turn to red band. All right, green band turn to red band. That means buy force is stronger than sell force. Market is bullish now. Yeah, so we can buy here. At that time is early April. So the price is around 49 cents. Okay, so when market turn bullish, we purchase here, and then when the red band is still red band, then we can continue to hold the stock until now. You see here, this is a green band, already is a green band. All right, so if it is a green band, then means the market already turned bearish already. All right, we should sell now to avoid the risk. All right, so we can look at some other shares. For example, UD2. Java also is Singapore. Is a Singapore stock. All right, so we can see here this. So Java in October last year is red band, so we can buy. All right, then it move up, subsequently sideways here, but here it turned to green band and the stock move below the green band, so we should sell the stock and hold our cash. All right, when green band means market bearish, we should continue to hold our cash, no reason to buy until here. All right, can you see the green band turn red band? Means market already turned bullish. Buy force is stronger than sell force. We can buy now. At that time, the price is about 50 cents. All right, that was middle April. Then we can we bought here. Now the share is 68. All right, and it's still red band. Then we can continue to hold as long as this is red band. Means because buy force is stronger than sell force, is still bullish. All right, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so how do we buy and sell? When green band turn to red band, then we can buy. Okay, but when red band turn to green band, we should sell, so we can avoid the fall of the stock, right? And then when the green band turn to red band, again we can buy. So we can benefit from the strong buy force. Okay, so with the red band and green band, this bull and bear experts, we solve all the puzzles. All right, we answer all the questions. So we know with the so when retailer asks, is the market bullish or bearish? So we can look at this bull bear expert, right? So if the market, if the bull and bear expert is red band, then we know market is bullish, then we should hold shares. All right, but if the bull and bear expert is green band, that means market is bearish. So we should hold cash, not share, right? So is the stock is uptrend or downtrend? All right, we look at the bull and bear expert. If it is red band, means it is uptrend, but it is, if it's green color, green band, then this is downtrend. All right, so of course if the green band and red band flip-flop, that means the market is sideways. All right, so also answer the question, should I buy the stock now or should I sell the stock now? All right, so when buy force is turn stronger, in take over the control, then we can buy the stock. All right, and should I sell the stock? Yeah, so if the red band turn to green band, we should sell the stock because the sell force is take in control already. All right, yeah. So all right, so this is a quick introduction about Hong Li. Hong Li is provides advanced stock analysis software, and is also a technical analysis training school. Once you join member, you can learn the share analysis for life. So you can learn to be professional here, to be a professional stock investor. We also get many recognition from the government. So over the years, we have get a lot of awards from the government. All right. So every day, almost every day, you will every day there are classes. As member, you can attend these classes. All right, in your own time. All right. So with that, I thank you very much for joining me on the learning of this bull and bear expert. Yeah, thank you very much. See you next time.